Moving from Windows 10 to Linux, honestly, it can be daunting. I mean, compared to Windows, where there are apps like there are GUIs, there are icons you just click and interact with. But on Linux here, it's more of terminal. I mean, it's more of terminal. If you have to open an app, for example, I have VLC. Type in VLC. Yes. Oh, I think I deleted it. I think I've deleted VLC. Yeah. So yeah. Hold on. I mean, like, just imagine the process of downloading an app on Linux. Come on. Though being a Linux user, you have to be much more a more technical person than your regular what's it called? Your regular Windows user. Though I'm using Linux, I'm using it through VMware. I'm still using Windows 10, but gradually I'm switching to Linux. So my experience so far, well, honestly, Linux isn't bad. It's just that switching from your favorite Windows, the enterprise based operating system, like just switching from both to like Linux, basically. Man, Windows is actually good though. It's just that if you want more privacy, more privacy, you want to get, I would say, a bit more good at computer, I would say, well, you can make use of Linux. But then for the average person, I would still say you should make use of Windows. Because imagine Windows, I just need to just double tap VLC, right? And the app is opened. But just imagine now, right? I'm on Linux now through a virtual machine. In order for me to make use of VLC, I'll need to make use of something called so I think to download that, mix of something called sudo is it install? Hold on. Got in the command line. But I mean, like, you get the point. Compared to your Windows, just need to double tap on VLC and boom, it's opened, right? Or you open VLC with something, with a movie or something, and you're enjoying yourself. But on Linux, it's different. You have to write a script, a line, you get to open it. Although you can probably maybe search for something like VLC. I haven't installed it. I once had it before, but I think I removed it. So I would say you can give Linux a try. I'm only sharing my own observation. I'm only sharing my observation on it. So this is Linux basically, and this is a file system. More like the file manager. This is the file manager on your Windows. But on Linux, it's called file system. Videos, pictures, downloads, what is documents, music, trash, recent. I mean, not that it's bad, it isn't bad, but well, I believe that's why they said Linux is more for I think hackers or people who are much more, technical inclined, people who are more deep into computers. Your average laptop user is definitely using Windows OS or Mac OS, But I mean, compared to your Windows, you just tap on calendar and there you go. So my main point is you can give Linux a try. Basically, I'm actually trying out Kali Linux, right, which is the main OS for hackers actually. So let me give it a try. Kali Linux is not bad, but it requires special education on how to use it compared to your Windows. Windows is much more easier and beginner friendly, but if maybe you want to go into hacking or stuff like that, I would say yes, you can go for Linux, like Kali Linux. Again, um I'll be trying other Linux distributions. So do make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.